Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking at an ABC toward the upside, 3-wave, finishing wave A or wave W, and after both case scenario, you would like to see, of course, ABC corrective wave for lower prices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A impulse, and ABC, of course, corrective for your wave B. 1, 2, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 impulse. Wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5, meaning of course you have finished and ending a diagonal here as an A, a B, and a C towards the downside, which is of course the highest possibility where you have finished a wave B, a wave X, or a wave A in the blue count. Now in this case scenario, of course, you are looking for a W, X, and a Y. And W, of course, for a zigzag, another zigzag for your wave X, and probably another zigzag for your wave Y. In this wave Y, you are looking between those FETCH targets, $22 and $14, of course, for this zigzag, of course, after finishing this A, B, and a C toward the downside, moving, of course, one more wave for higher prices, of course, once you finish this wave C. Meaning that you would like, of course, to move for higher prices impulsively, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, once you finish this final impulse for a wave C. In case you are more bearish here, the more bearish scenario is of course a longer correction, meaning of course A, B, and a C, and this might transform 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and you're looking here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending diagonal or probably an impulse toward the downside for a wave C. However, still another scenario as bullish where you might be a 1, a 2, and then 3, 4, 5 hitting perfectly the fib level 0.618 would be perfect anyway in confluence with this wave 5 for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave C, finishing 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, even for higher prices for a wave C in this case scenario, where you would like to hit, of course, the blue box 1 fib level at $40. Very nice psychological number as well. Now, let's dive deeper inside this wave on the 4-hour chart as a close-up to see what's going on and what it might happen in the next price action. As you can see, we have 3 waves down here as a wave A. You can see that this wave A is an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing a wave C after 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, here as an impulse, and then looking as well here as 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and of course, one more move towards the upside as impulse. It can be, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, kind of finishing and ending a diagonal here. Of course, this is a flat, of course, and finishing a wave B with it. After this, we are looking right now into 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably finishing wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, or even something else. Even it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, for wave 1 here. The wave 2, of course, has finished a bigger impulse, of course, bigger wave 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, so we still have probably 4 5s here, several ones, of course, to be finished. We have here kind of a range. Let's move inside the 1-hour chart here for it. For this range, we are looking here at probably, yeah, it's a big triangle so far. But let me check. Yeah, we have reached the high. One moment. So if this, yeah, we have reached the high from here and also from, did we took the low? No. Let me snap it. 1 second. Very important. Yes, we took the low with few dollars here. So we took the low and we took the high. Very nice. Okay, so that means this is kind of an A, B, and probably we're looking for a wave C. Yeah, or WXY, guys. Definitely. W, X, and a Y. Somehow your wave Y can ends up, of course, in any structure. It can be flat, it can be zigzag, or it can be a triangle. Yeah, so we have to be careful. However, in a bigger view or an overview, you are still bearish. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 did not finish yet, and your invalidation point for this scenario is the following. This is your invalidation of bearish. So meaning if the price action moves toward the upside and takes this price action here, which is exactly at 4.20, yeah, 26, 25, right? 4.25, this might be your invalidation, yeah? And of course, therefore, you don't have an impulse anymore, and you're not looking for a wave 5. You're not looking to take the low. It has been already taken, and you're probably looking for something else. Meaning, if you are bullish, when you're bullish scenario, of course, you have to consider you have finished W, X, and a Y. Your W is this zigzag, your X is this flat, kind of like this, and then your Y is this another zigzag. Finish already in W, X, and a Y, and you're looking for higher. Your target or your signal that you are looking for higher is taking the 4.25 in much more bullish scenario. Currently higher possibility still, of course, for one more wave 5 and for 5 to hit in between the 0.618 and then start to move for higher prices one more time again. And if we take a look closer at a KGT, so as you can see on the KGT, we have for near here a bearish signal, of course, which is not really strong as well, and that because we took the high in few cents, right? And it's still, of course, playing here as a little bit as convergence. However, also here the divergence is broken. We took the low as well. So there is no divergence, no really good convergence. It's very, very much a sideways. Now, the scenarios that we might, of course, expect is a much more higher for the bearish, and that because of the pressure coming from the top. And we are corrective, meaning, of course, still moving toward the downside soon or later. That was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.